let's have a chat about neem oil. Welcome back to Chatting with Chintzy. I'm Chintzy Barato. Right now, you should be starting to plant your spring vegetables and seeding your summer vegetables. But you've got one big battle ahead of you, and that's bugs. Luckily, we have a solution to that. It's called neem oil. We're going to talk a little bit today about what it is, how it works, and how you can use it. Let's get started. Neem oil comes from the Indian subcontinent. And what it is it's from the neem tree. They take the seed from the neem tree and extract the oil from the seed. And in concentrate, we import it, and it's called neem oil. Now, I want to point out one thing. Make sure it's cold pressed, organic, and 100% neem oil. So it's probably not something you're going to find readily in a big box store. It's usually going to be watered down with other things. So make sure you get cold pressed 100% organic neem oil. How does neem oil work, you ask? Well, I'm about to tell you. Neem oil can kill over 200 species of pests, and it usually will kill them within 4 to 7 days once they ingest it. I'm telling you, that rooster every time. However, neem oil is organic and eco-friendly, and better yet, it won't kill the good bugs. And as I mentioned in previous videos, most bugs in our gardens are good bugs. They're beneficial, we need them. Neem oil won't hurt them. It only affects the bugs that eat your plants. So if it's not a bug that eats your plant, it won't hurt them. So the best thing yet, you don't have to spray your plants with a poison and then later on ingest it, which makes no sense to me, but that's the way we've been doing it for a long time. It's time to get away from that. And that answer is neem oil. Now, what neem oil actually does to the bug is it disrupts its hormonal system. It prevents it from obviously reproducing and laying eggs, and is very disruptive to the bug in general. If it has direct contact with neem oil, it can clog its airways and suffocate the bug. But we're not putting pure 100% neem oil on the plant. We're diluting it down. So I wouldn't look to go spraying the bugs with neem oil themselves. How do you make the neem oil solution to spray your plants? I'm about to show you. To make your neem oil spray, you're only going to need a few supplies. Measuring spoons, your 100% cold pressed organic neem oil, some dish soap, and a spray container, and a field expedient table, also known as a ladder. The first thing you're going to do is choose a container that has not had any kind of poisonous pesticides or herbicides in it prior. As you can see here, mine's marked neem oil. That's all I put in this, is neem oil to spray my plants. The next thing you're going to do is take your measuring spoon and your neem oil, along with your container, and we're going to pour. This is a 1 gallon container, by the way, so the measurements are going to vary based on the size of your container. So we're going to put 1 to 2 tablespoons of neem oil. I'm a rebel, so I'm going to use 1.5. Dump that right in. The next thing we're going to do is take our trusty dish soap and use it for something outside of the kitchen. And we're going to give it a squirt. Give it a good squirt. Not too much, not too little. What this does is it helps this solution bind to the plant, and it also helps the neem oil and the water mix. You'll see in your container that it's like oil and water. The neem oil will rise to the top and separate from the water. We don't want that. The soap is going to help with that. It's not going to prevent it, so you're still going to have to shake it up when you use it. The next thing we're going to do is fill this container up with 1 gallon of water. One thing I like to do is leave a little bit of space open at the top. It helps you shake this solution up. Last but not least, in preparation of our neem oil, put the lid back on, screw it on tight, or try to. Make sure the handle is secured and give it a good shake. Something about that didn't look right. And we're ready to go. Let me show you how to apply it to your plants. This part's pretty simple. You're going to start by pressurizing your can. That's why it has that pump on top. And at this point, just start spraying the plant. Be generous with it. It's a pretty cheap way for pest control, so you don't have to be bashful about applying too much. Make sure you cover the whole plant and all the leaves. Right now we're spraying the top. Make sure you go all the way around the plant. Don't stand in one spot and spray your neem oil. Go all the way around the plant. Now hopefully you can see here on the camera, I've thoroughly soaked this plant and it's dripping. That's okay. Be generous with this stuff. But we're not done yet. This is one of the more neglected parts that people miss when they're applying organic pesticide, neem oil, to their plants. You have to get the underside too, because if a bug lands on the top of the leaf and they're like, oh, that's got junk on it, they'll just go down to the bottom and start chewing on it and it won't affect them. So make sure you get the bottoms of the leaves. Now, this is a Bartlett pear tree that I planted last year, so it's still pretty young, but I can tell you in its first year, I didn't do any pruning, I didn't do anything to it. And the bugs absolutely demolished this tree, which absolutely impaired its growth. I didn't get any fruit off it, even though I wasn't expecting any the first year or three, but it inhibits the growth that the bugs get to the plant. So do what you can to prevent that from happening. And the answer, as I've said, is neem oil. I've got all my fruit trees out here in the yard that I'm going to spray. Now, let's talk about when to use it and how often you need to be applying neem oil. Well, for starters, you want to apply it at least once a week. That's roughly every 7 days, or 1 week. Also, you want to apply it after it rains, because rain will wash a lot of this neem oil off. So make sure if you have a heavy rain, you go reapply it. And you can also kind of look at the weather and forecast, like should I put the neem oil on today? It's going to rain tomorrow. Just wait until after it rains and you should be just fine. So once a week, and this will help keep the bugs off of your plants. One other thing, neem oil is not toxic. However, hold back from spraying your plants about 1 week prior to harvest, because it'll give it kind of a sticky, gummy feel. Who wants to eat a peach with neem oil on it? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. It helps us make more content that we can bring to you. I want to remind you, as you're spraying your plants, make sure you give this thing a good shake every minute or 3. It'll help keep the neem oil in the water and the dish soap stirred up in the pot. What we've covered here today is neem oil. What it is, how you make it, and why you should use it, and how it works on bugs. It's gonna relieve a lot of stress from your daily life if you're trying to grow stuff and a bug comes down and wipes it out. So don't forget, we were created on purpose for a purpose. Be your purpose. Until next time on Chatting with Chintzy, I'm Chintzy Barato. Out.